YouTube, what is going on? It's been a minute. As you guys can see, I'm at my new house. Tiff and I closed on our house and it's been great, but that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is what's inside this box. We are doing a unboxing review from Winners Collective. So we got a box today from Winners Collective and we're about to do a full-on review, unboxing, size, everything, so you guys know what to grab if you guys decide to purchase this. I'm really excited because this is something that I did see a good friend of mine right here, Jeremy Suri. This guy is killing it in this industry. I've been following him for, man, I can't even say. It's been like almost 8-9 years. Like maybe when I was 22, 23. I'm 27 now, so like 22, 23, sometime around that time is when I first saw his post on LiftFit. So that's how I saw him, and then, you know, we've just been talking a lot. Now we're doing a collab, and it's crazy because this is the guy that I was always looked up to when it comes to like just fitness in general. So I'm super excited. This is his special box here to me. I'm excited to share this with you guys. Their Instagram is growing. They got some good threads. I'm excited to see what they have to offer here today. First, pull out the pocket knife here. Let's go over everything. I am about 5'6". My weight's about 150, 151. My frame here is about 37, 38. Typically in all shirts like this, I usually wear between a medium most of the time. Sometimes I'll wear a small depending on the length of the shirt. Shorts, I usually wear a small to begin with. Usually it just kind of depends as well because my quads are a little bit thicker, which I'll show you guys. So most of the time it's safe to say that I'm always a small. All right, let's see this. So, oh shoot. Okay. Yo, if you guys know, I do rock my hats. And the thing with this hat, look at this. Adjustable, and this is a nice hat. If I had to like explain like the hat material, let me show you guys. This is like a New Era hat. You guys know how it is with New Era. Like the way the hat looks, it feels really good. We got a lot in here. Let's see. We got t-shirt, medium. Shirt or solid, medium. Guys, look at the packaging in this. Yo, this is crazy. The packaging is amazing. Okay, medium. Again, medium, and a bag. Grocery haul, all right. Alright, so I got everything all hung. I'm actually wearing the hat right now as we speak, and then I'm gonna start changing it to the fits. So I got two of the shorts here. They're all in a size medium. Long sleeve here, and a medium. But medium, this one's also a medium. And then the Winners Collective tee in a medium. And a tank top from Winners Collective medium. Just if you guys haven't noticed, on all their shirts, on the bottom right hand side, it has the stitching of Winners Collective here as well. And same with like inside the tag. So you can see that. First item on the list here is the shorts. That's what we're gonna try on first. Has the Winners Collective on the right hand side. Their little like tag right here that I've noticed on every single shirt. Okay, so I got the gray sweat shorts on here. This is a size medium. I do have a lot of slack room. I should probably just change out the t-shirt. Let's see, let's put on. Let's go ahead and throw this one on first. So I'm gonna throw this one on. This one's a size medium. Emblem, tag in the back again. Cool, all right. The best way I can describe this is like, it's like a French terry material. The length is perfect because some shirts, you know how when you like pull your hands up, you can like see your skin right here. Yeah, no, this one's perfect. This is what it looks like all around. Okay, I got the black shorts on. Same exact thing, good slack right here. Breathing room right here. Yep. Got the tag right here. I think if I had a choice and I had to cop these myself, I would go a small with the shorts. Because I think maybe it might be some breathing room. There's definitely still gonna be some breathing room, but I think it'll be a little bit smaller and tighter on my leg here. But I mean, I don't mind it because this is something that, it's like chill wear. You can go something, have like a nice little gym session, or if you're just bumming it around the house, it's like nice athleisure. This is the gray, guys, see, you can see it more in this one. The black one, you can't really see it because obviously it's too dark, but you can see like, it's like a rolled up material. I guess it is like, so it's cotton, they roll it up, and it's like stitched. And I actually really like this t-shirt a lot. They've definitely done like a great job with this. They have the tag right here again on the bottom left-hand side. Again, this is the medium, feels good. I'm digging with it. This is the full fit with it. This is some good material. I like it. They have me blown away. All right, the next piece in the collection I have is the long sleeve. I just noticed that they have this breathable thing on the side here, which, you know, when you sweat, you get hot, it gives you some air. Printing right here on the side, but good length as well. I can stretch up, and you guys can't see my tummy or anything like that either. This is actually a really good piece. I would probably wear this one, probably if I were to wear something like a lighter shorts, because I don't think I would base this layer with my sweat shorts or anything like that. All right, next piece in the collection is the t-shirt. The arms right here, you guys can see already. The arms is fitted as well as tapered. T-shirt is a good length. This is a medium. Look at that. Right here, you guys can't see anything. And if you guys notice, right here, their little stain. Can you guys see that right here? Jeremy wear it. It's usually the front side. I've never seen the back side of this. And now that I know this, it's actually really sick. Pretty tight. Everyday wear where you can wear it with jeans, or you know, if you're going out anywhere at the gym. So it's an all-purpose material. I like this a ton. If I have to say any of these are more like chill wear, street wear. That's what I like, more like lifestyle. The one, I say this at the end because you gotta show off them guns, that's why. And then they got the panel here in the middle, which is really cool. And oh my gosh, I'm excited for this one, so let's try this one. The last piece in this collection is tank top. Nice. It's cut it right here. I like how like the way it's designed, where it's just right off the shoulder right here. Because usually if you're like in high school, I don't know if you guys ever did this back then, but you would like cut your sleeves off and you want it just to show enough your trap and your shoulders. This is how I feel about this tank top. So this is something I just take off as a pump cover after you have a nice juicy pump. This one's nice. This is definitely this is probably my gym wear for tomorrow. But good length. But I hope this video helps so you guys can see, like, if you were to buy something here with this company, what sizes to get. If you guys have any questions, hit me in the comments below. Again, if you guys haven't done so, hit that subscribe button. We just hit 1K, so we got more to come. Thank you, Winners Collective, for everything that you brought to me today. And I hope you guys enjoy this content. I'll see you guys next time. Peace and love, baby.